friends, hello, welcome to this new video, and I want to explain what I was doing now, okay? So do you remember that in our classroom we make some mindfulness? So I want you to practice at home too. So I was reading, I was sitting like we sit usually in the classroom, crisscross applesauce. My hands are on my knees. Usually we keep them in our lap, but they're in my knees now. I close my eyes because my eyes are some two windows, and if we let them open, they can distract us. So I close my eyes and I breathe. I inhale in and then I exhale out. Something important to remember: if you can count in your mind, if you can count four, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you inhale in and then 4 when you exhale out, that will be amazing. You can make it as many times as you need, okay? So I was using my flower. You can just spray some perfume that you like and just smell the flower when you inhale in and then exhale out, okay? Another thing that you can use are bubbles. You remember that we use bubbles in the classroom, so you just, if you don't have this, you can make some at home. And look, we blow them. And this is something that helps us breathe and relax. You can also play with your mom and dad. They can just blow them and you can stand still without touching the bubbles, okay? So today I want you to remember that in the last videos we were writing books. We were making an all about book. So the first video we made, do you remember that I showed you my book that it was about the ladybug. So it was the first book that I made, my all about book. So it was all about ladybug. And then I made my all about book about the fish, okay? So today we're going to learn something different. So today we're going to learn an important topic. So I want you to see and to think. What do you think is this? Okay, I'll show you the first one. What do you think is this? Look. Did you see this? Okay. And then look at this one. Look at this one. Wow. Did you see the title? Remember, titles are important. Two kinds of leaves: simple leaf, compound leaf, and leaf-board graph. Okay? And then look at this. What is this? Wow. Look at this book. It has interesting. What is this? Tell me. Yes, this is a map. This is a map. These are different maps about different places. Okay? So look, wow, this is Africa. And then we have Asia. Okay, can you see this little panda over here? Beautiful. Look, maps. Okay, so these are maps, as you just said, and these are graphs. Yes, very nice. These are graphs. So now I want you to think. What do you think they are for? These two things, maps and graphs. What do you see in a map? And what do you see in a graph? This is a map. This is a map. And this is a graph. What do you see in them? Why do we need a map or a graph for? Okay, so do you already think? Okay, good job. So today we're going to learn that maps and graphs give us information about a place. For example, if you go to a new place, if you're traveling, you go and you usually have a map, okay? So you know about the different places that we have in that new place, okay? So now I want you to go and find maps and graphs around your house, okay? So when you have that maps and graphs, Share it with your family. What can you see there? What do you think they are for? You ready? Okay, so now we know how to identify a map. This is a map, and we know how to identify a graph, okay? Now we know how to identify them, and they are interesting and really important resources for us. Okay, so now we will go ahead with a second mini lesson, and for that lesson I have a surprise for you. Are you ready? So I have two friends here in my back, and they are Mr. Lion, and Baby Monkey, and Mr. Lion. So Baby Monkey is always asking questions, so he's going to ask what. Say hello, Baby Monkey.
Hello, how are you guys? I am Baby Monkey.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Lion.
Hi, Mr. Lion.
Hi Baby Monkey.
Mr. Lion, I want to know something about your ecosystem.
Okay, you can ask questions.
Okay. Let me think. Okay, so Mr. Lion, are you a living or a non-living thing?
Oh, I'll explain you. I am a living thing because I can grow, I can breathe. That's why I am a living thing.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Lion, what do you have here? What is this here?
Oh, this is called mail. This is my mail.
Oh, okay. Oh, Mr. Lion, are you a dog?
No, I am a big cat.
Wow. And where do you live?
Oh, I usually live in hot places.
Okay, what is the name of your ecosystem?
Okay, I live in the savannah and I usually live in big groups. I am a big cat, as I told you, who lives with his family.
Oh, wow, that's really interesting, Mr. Lion.
Do you want to know something else?
Let me think. I have to be thinking. Guys, do you want to know something about the lion? I think that was it. Thank you, Mr. Lion, for answering all my questions. Now I know more about you.
You're so welcome.
Tell them bye. Bye-bye. Okay, so you know that Baby Monkey was asking a lot of questions to Mr. Lion to know more about its ecosystem, okay? So I hope you like this little story. And today we're going to learn how to ask questions to find information and register the answers. For that, when you ask information, you need a little notebook so you can just make your drawings about all the information that you already get. And if you don't know, if you can just draw the picture, it's good. But if you already can write something, that would be amazing, okay? So if you cannot write, you can draw. If you can already write, go ahead, okay? So be risk takers. So now, we're going to choose a map, okay? We will choose a map. And I'm going to choose South America, this map, okay? So this map. And I want you to see all the pictures that we have around, okay? So, what kind of animals do you think live here? How do you think it's the weather? What interesting thing do you think we can learn from this ecosystem? Which kind of clothes do we have to use if we travel here? Think about interesting questions, okay? So, as we learned in the previous mini lesson, maps give us information as well as props, okay? So, it is important that you need to know that anytime that you want to know about something, you can ask questions, okay? So I want you to be good communicators and risk takers, and every single time that you have a question, please do it, okay? So questions are important in order to be knowledgeable. So remember, today we'll learn how to make questions. Bye!